I feel part of a strong Canadian community because I've built so many connections with other great Canadian students.
Coming to a new country, new continent, I knew I wouldn't be alone.
It has been a great honor to learn from these professors. The benefit is that they have first-hand experience.
I chose to study at the University of Leicester because I wanted to study a program that incorporated Canadian law, UK law, and EU law.
So the course was perfect for me because there's Canadian law classes that are offered, and there's also a lot of career advice and networking events that are provided, which expands your network back home.
So the University of Leicester has been really great with its support. One of the times that I actually needed help, I was able to talk to my personal tutor, and she was really helpful in pointing me to some really helpful resources at the library help desk.
Here at the University of Leicester, as a Canadian student, we also have a Canadian careers tutor available, which helps us walk us through our next steps that we have to take after graduating.
One of the great things about Leicester is that there's a dedicated law library. So it's nice because it's a lovely place to study and you can get some quiet work done, or you always have a chance of running into someone that you have class with.
Yeah, so I had the really great opportunity of working with the University of Leicester's Pro Bono Society, specifically the Immigration and Asylum team. And it was really great being able to put a lot of the knowledge learning courses into practical experience.
For this academic year, I am the Vice President of Canadian Law Society. Canadian Law Society allows me to network with lawyers all the way from Canada, which helps me with my next steps that I have to take after graduating at Leicester.
Because of my time at Leicester, I believe I'm a strong and competitive candidate when applying for jobs because I have a well-rounded approach due to my knowledge in EU law, UK law, and Canadian law.